I was laxative dependent. I was so tired all the time. My skin was awful. I was following people like Abby Sharp and their recommendations, and I wasn't seeing results. Still, I was feeling miserable. I said, okay, I'm gonna try this high fruit. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna really commit to it. And it's actually the main thing I was worried about was my skin, because I did lose, over 200 pounds of just fat. So I was like, what's my body even going to look like? When I lost all the fat, my body changed, my skin changed, my hair. I got hair thickness back. My eyebrows, even everything, my eyelashes, just my teeth, everything just changed. It felt like I almost got a new identity. And that sounds so weird, but I just feel great. I feel like myself. I really owe that to you, so thank you.
Don't waste any more time in pain. Start a fruit-based diet today. Link in my bio.